In this video, we're going to look at how SaaS business owners, indie hackers, independent developers, entrepreneur developers, people who build apps, how you can manage your projects. So one important thing is you come here, let's click on new project. You always want to add basic details about your project. In this case, you can add a title, a description. So basic details are always helpful, just so you have an idea of what it is that you're working on first glance when you take a look at your dashboard. So basic details about that project. It's also good to have some links for your project. Links, whether it may be you have an Instagram account, maybe it's your GitHub. You want a quick way to reference it, link to the actual project itself, maybe link to analytics. Quick way to store your links is always helpful for easy and quick reference. And then, of course, setting goals for your project. Whatever it is that you're working on, maybe with your SaaS, you're looking for 5 users a week. You can put that in here, 5 users a week. Maybe you're looking to make 2 YouTube videos and a blog a week. Whatever goal is that you have, try to set as many goals as you can, or goals that you know that they're reachable. You can put that in there. So once again, let's go here. Now we have our project in here. Once again, we have, so that for instance, you click that and it'll take you to your various links in here. And then of course, something that's also helpful with SaaS companies and those who build apps is many times when you build these projects, you're not building like an app that nobody's heard before. You are building a tool that is already different versions. So a perfect example is Swizo is a software as a service, but there's already plenty of project management softwares out there and brainstorming tools. Like Asana is a very good one. Notion's also a good one. There's ClickUp, there's Miro, there's Xtiles. There's so many different apps and tools out there for project management. There's Monday.com. So there's plenty of tools out there. And so one thing that you can do, one thing that I like to do is if you come in here, this is the reference link. So anytime you see a good reference, for instance, Asana has very good design. If you see their app, the design is very good and the UX is also very good. So what I could do is I could come in here and I could put the title of, let's say, Asana, put the link here, and then say something I like about that, like about their project. So when I come back, I know what it is that I like, and then I can use that to improve my own work. So like if you look in this case, this project is Waslow, a project management tool for pressure washing companies. So what you could do is you could look at other pressure washing companies out there. Maybe you want to look at how are they marketing themselves. So maybe you see somebody on YouTube who also has a pressure washing company, and you see, or a pressure washing project management tool, and you see, okay, what is it that they're doing? How can I apply that in my own business? Or what you could do is you could look at pressure washers themselves and see, okay, how is it that they're getting clients? Or what problems that they're facing? Then you come in here and you add that to your project. Once you know what it is, some of the problems that they're facing, you just come in there, you add it, then you can continue brainstorming and thinking of a solution to that problem. So those are some of the ways that you can manage projects as a SaaS business owner, is to have small details about your project, to have a clean space where you can organize things and ideas that you have for your project, and of course, a way to organize tasks for your project. So of course, each project that you're working on, you're going to have tasks, you're going to have goals and things that you want to reach. So you can come in here, create a new note, put in there your tasks, you save that, and now you have your tasks inside this dashboard. So just to sum it all up, as somebody who runs a SaaS, you build apps, you're an indie hacker, you want a way to organize your projects in a clean way. You want to use templates to help you get up and running. You want to set goals. You want to be able to organize your outside references, outside inspiration. You want to be able to organize that in a clean place to be able to improve your project. And of course, have a way of easy access to your links of things that you're working on. So if this looks like a tool that you think you could use as an indie hacker, as a solopreneur, you need something simple. You don't need something too much. You just need a simple tool as a one-person team. You can check out our tool Swizo. Come to Swizo.app just to learn more about what Swizo is, see how it can help you as a tech entrepreneur. You can also click on demo and test out the demo. You can see the different features that are in Swizo and see if it's something that could be useful for you as a solopreneur to get you up and running with your project management for your SaaS, your app, whatever project it might be. So if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out. Come here, you click contact, test out the demo, see if this app is something that you could use for your business.